Earth is full of hidden mysteries that humans have barely scratched the surface of. One of these mysteries is the icy land of Antarctica. But what happens when all the ice melts? What kind of secrets do the sub-zero regions of Antarctica hold? The region's icy and harsh conditions have kept humanity from diving too deep. Everything that we've discovered so far has been a combination of fascinating and absolutely terrifying. From incredible creatures to never-before-seen phenomena, Antarctica is a land full of possibilities, and all you need to do is look beneath all the frozen water. Join us today as we take you through 15 terrifying things discovered in Antarctica that changed everything. And stay tuned till the end to see some pretty exciting stuff. Number 15. Underground lakes. Anyone who has the slightest bit of knowledge about geography knows that the lakes and oceans are two completely different kinds of bodies of water. But the Antarctic Ocean doesn't play by the rules. In 1970, scientists had a hunch that an entirely different ecosystem existed in the Antarctic waters, something that hadn't ever been seen before. Antarctic waters hold entire lakes inside of them, an estimated 400 lakes in fact. These lakes sit under 3 kilometers of ice, and scientists believe that they were formed during the separation of Antarctica from the ancient supercontinent Gondwanaland. And the reason why the lakes remain flowing instead of freezing in the sub-zero Antarctic oceans is because of the underwater pressure. Lake Vostok was the first of its kind, discovered in the 1990s. It's also the largest subglacial lake ever found in the region, lying 2.5 kilometers below the ice. Scientists extracted a sample of the lake water. Its temperature was found to be -3 degrees, while being covered by ice for over 20 million years. However, the most significant breakthrough came in 2014 at Lake Whillans, when scientists discovered lakes and entire ecosystems consisting of microorganisms and other signs of life that exist within these lakes. And what's terrifying is that these species haven't been exposed to sunlight for millions of years, yet they still exist and grow using methane and ammonium as their energy sources. This also means that there are high possibilities of an entire system of lakes, estuaries, rivers, and even volcanoes existing under the Antarctic waters. However, studying them is challenging, considering how hard it is for scientists to look beneath all that frozen water. However, never say never, right? Number 14. When researchers used seismic sensors to look into other behaviors of the ice slab. But since then, they've found that as the environment changes, the song changes as well. So now they use the song to monitor the ice shelf stability and vulnerability while tracking any collapse when the music turns into a hum. This has left them thinking whether or not one day glaciers might also start singing songs that can be heard by humans.